Have you wondered how to make rants like me? Well, you found the right video. So today, I will show you how you can make one. In 5 steps. Yeah, anyways, the first step is get OBS. The next step is recording the background. When you are done, go to CapCut for the editing. Import the file. Then click Ratio. Then click 9:16. Scale it. Don't forget to mute the sound. Then scale the video shorter by removing the OBS part in the beginning and the OBS part at the end. Then click Audio, then Music. Then type this on the screen. You can talk about what happened in school or more about your life.